I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
To make home yogurt, start with 1 quart milk and 1/4 cup active yogurt starter. That ratio yields a reliable culture balance. Heat the milk to 180 degrees F to denature proteins and improve texture, then cool it to 110 degrees F to protect live cultures. Add the starter gently and mix for even distribution. Incubate between 4 to 12 hours, depending on desired tang and thickness. Then chill the finished yogurt at least 4 hours before serving to set the curd. Begin by pouring 1 quart milk into a heavy saucepan and heating to 180 degrees F while stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. Remove from heat and cool the milk to 110 degrees F on a countertop or in a cold water bath. Use a thermometer to confirm temperature. Stir 1/4 cup active yogurt starter into a small amount of the warm milk, then return and mix thoroughly to inoculate evenly. Maintain cleanliness with sterile utensils and clean jars to avoid contamination. Transfer the inoculated milk into jars or a container and keep it at about 110 degrees F for 4 to 12 hours to allow fermentation. Longer time produces tangier yogurt. Maintain a consistent incubation environment using an oven with light on, a yogurt maker, or a thermos. Avoid temperature swings that harm cultures. After incubating, chill the yogurt at least 4 hours to set the texture and slow fermentation. Add honey, fruit, or 1 teaspoon vanilla after chilling for flavor. Then refrigerate and enjoy within 7 to 10 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.